This is the inequality review. Oh my god. Okay, so now we're going to be doing the one-step inequalities, and you're going to want to divide this by both sides by -2.
-4. You will multiply 2.
It's gonna give you x is greater than -25, but you're gonna actually have to flip that. So it's gonna be x is less than -25. Now we're actually gonna have to graph the inequality, and that's gonna give us. So we just put it on there. So we're gonna make that an open circle to the left. So now we're doing two-step inequalities. What you want to do is you're gonna do addition and subtraction first. And so I'm gonna add this 9 right now. So 15 plus 9 is 24. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna divide both sides by 6 again, or just both sides by 6. So 24 divided by 6 is going to give you an answer of 4. So your answer will be x is less than 4.
Oh, yeah.
So
Wait, no, you're adding on to.
So now we're going to have to graph it. So let's get to the pencil, of course. That's kind of important. And we have to put these numbers in order. You have to make the graph right over here. It's kind of important for graphing it. And it's going to be an open circle right here, pointing to the left. Okay, so first we're gonna have to do the distributive property. So that's gonna be 14 minus 49r. 8 plus 6, 7. And so now we're gonna have to combine like terms. So we're going to have to do 6 plus 14, and that's going to give us 20 minus 49r. And oh yes, my bad. Wait.
Yeah.
So I'm going to minus 20 on this one on both sides. So 167 minus 20 is 147. Is greater than -49r. I'm going to divide that by -49. And that is going to give us r is less than -3. So we're going to have to graph that. So and it's going to be an open circle going to the left. We're doing inequality word problems right now, so I'm going to read this out to you. You need no more than 300 calories in a day. 3,000. You consume 840 at breakfast and 1,150 at lunch. How many calories can you eat at dinner? So I put out the equation right here, and so right now I'm going to combine the like terms. So I'm going to do 1,150 plus 840. And that is going to give us 1,990. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the opposite, the opposite, and I'm going to subtract 1,990 from 3,000. And that is going to give us x, whoa, yeah, that is going to give us x is less than or equal to 1,010. So now I'm going to graph it. I'll just make, let's see.
This is a multi-step inequality. First, you must combine like this. Combine -1 with minus. We have 2. And you get -7 minus 6x is greater.
All right, and so that's going to be a closed circle going to the left. Okay, so now we're going to do practice problems, and before I explain to you the answers, you have to pause the video. So I'm gonna give you like 2 seconds. Pause the video now. All right, now that you're back, we're gonna start solving this thing. So I am going to add 9 to this. It's gonna be 5. So you divide it by -5.
It's -5. Oh, actually, it's 5. Never mind.
Okay, and that is going to give us negative. That is going to give us -1. Actually, this is another time we're gonna have to flip the sign. Woo. And so it's actually going to be j is less than or equal to -1. Now we're gonna have to graph the inequality. Which is going to be, I'm just gonna write it out now. So it's going to be, a closed circle going to the left. So this is numero dos, and so I'm gonna do my distributive property. And remember to pause the video, probably about right now. All right, now that you're back, we're gonna do the distributive property. So we got 30, and then this is gonna be plus 15r plus 7. 1, 2, 7. All right. And we're combining like terms, so it's going to be 37 plus 15r. 127. So we're going to minus 37. And the answer will be 90. So we divide it by 15, both sides, and the answer will be r is greater than or equal to 6. Now I'm going to graph this. It's going to be, I'm going to put 6 in the middle. All right, and so
Closed circle pointing right.
yeah, it's going to be a closed circle pointing to the right. All right, thanks for watching. This has been the Inequality Review. Bye.